up, so we're about to head up the pass now. As you can see, we've got all the vehicles in the convoy. Just getting ready, we just deflated our tires, 1 bar, and yeah, ready for the trail. We're at the first leg of the pass now. This is a relatively easy drive. We're currently in low range first gear. This is our first time coming up the pass. In fact, everything past the border is new to me. I'm very eager to see the upcoming views and mountainscapes that have been flooding my Instagram feed. There was also a report of snow 2 days ago, with more snow expected in the next 2 days. With that being said, my mates and I were not sure what to expect on this adventure. This pass becomes almost impassable when there are bits of ice on the switchbacks, which is a common occurrence during winter. Nevertheless, we pushed on into the unknown with our vehicles engaged and our spirits high. We have entered our last kilometer of our journey up through the mountains. This is where the switchbacks are located. You get a good view of the pass from these angles, and might I say, the views are breathtaking. It's not long until we're back in our vehicles and tackling the last stretch of the beautiful Sani Pass. After a very scenic and not so challenging drive, we made it to the Lesotho border post. We lined up our vehicles at the Lesotho sign to get our memories captured and proceed to the highest pub in Africa. This establishment is perched 2,874 meters above sea level and is over 50 years old. This place attracts tourists from around the world. It is here that I chose to leave my mark. Yo, what's going on, guys? As you can see, we made it to Lesotho. We're currently at what is known as the highest pub in Africa. We got the Jimny and the Defender over there, and of course we got Yoda right behind me. And yeah, it's just been a really awesome drive. We had no complications at the borders, managed to get through with our passports, and everything went 100%. So now we're going to be pushing on into Lesotho. Maybe we'll be able to find some snow, like some proper snow, not like what you guys saw earlier, like just along the pass down there. If you look into the distance, you can actually see that there is snow on the mountains, but a very minuscule amount. But yeah, hopefully we'll be able to find some. Maybe we can walk in some, show baby Raider exactly what proper snow looks like. But yeah, we got the Jimny driver right there. And yeah, it's been an absolutely epic trip so far, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. And yeah, we'll see you further on in Lesotho. Now, I've been on many cold holidays before, but for me, snow hasn't been something I've had the opportunity to become familiar with. Nothing could have prepared me for what I was about to see. I was amazed by the beauty of the Lesotho mountains. The snow really emphasized how cold this country gets. It's almost as if we had entered another universe. We had to pull over and enjoy the spoils of Mother Nature. As you can see, we made it to the snowy mountains of Lesotho. It's no more just a view in the distance. We're right here now. Got the 2 rigs parked up here. Defender, Jimny, and Yoda is sitting there in the snow. And yeah, it's really sick. It seems to be like a really awesome pass up here. And it goes all the way further up there. But we're not feeling too adventurous today, so we're just going to take it really easy, play with some snow, maybe have like a little snow fights here and there. I just got snowballed by that dude in a yellow jacket. You guys, let me know in the comments if I should snowball him back.
Give it.
We're descending the pass now. We had an absolutely awesome time in the Lesotho province. We're now past the border control. We're heading our first switchback of the Sani Pass, and as you can see, there's nothing low range. We're crawling. Low range, first gear. Diff lock off, front diff lock off. We're just cruising. It's got to be one of the best feelings of owning a four-wheel drive, definitely. Sort of comes to a certain point where the car almost feels like it's driving itself. I'm gonna put it into second gear low range, because if I look at the Defender, is already made a lot more headway than us. They're burning these old tires here. We noticed on the way up that the ground here was completely iced out, so I think this is just risk management right here on the pass itself. So yeah, these guys are making sure that nobody slips their way down, and yeah, ice is being melted from those tires. So that's a really cool thing to see.